Hello Zeres, we are Team Fachia Plus Plus. We are third yearites from IIT Guwahati who are passionate about building intelligent machines to make this world a better place to live in. During a disaster, attending the victims becomes the top priority because they still have a chance to survive. In such situations, everything boils down to the ability of the victims and the rescuers to communicate with each other easily and effectively. It decides whether a victim can survive or not. With this problem in mind, we have built DubG. DubG is a mixed reality app for efficient post disaster management. Rescue teams are very busy during operation, which is why we built our app based on mixed reality so that the rescuers don't waste their time on pre planning their routes and operating any device for communication. Our vision is to create an augmented reality based navigation system enhanced by a voice assistant to make the rescue drives hassle free. Here is a quick demo of the meaning of markers. This marker is for rescue team members. All the markers here are clickable. Clicking on them gives more detail on them. This marker is for victims in flooded areas. This marker is for another rescue team member. This is an AR notification, clicking on which gives us the message that the road is blocked there. For effective communication, we have added a feature of AR notification.
Send a message, I need help here.
This feature makes it possible for messages to be projected in AR on the location of the sender. It allows receivers to view important messages like informing other rescue teams about road blockage or current status of the victims to be hovering in the AR space. This makes messages to be viewed as per the convenience of the receiver. Just like in some situation, people prefer messages over calls because of the choice to view and respond as per their convenience. AR notification prevents unnecessary distraction of the rescue teams with informations which are not required by them at that moment. The AR functionality can also be used to see the live updates of other rescue teams and status of the victims.
Set visibility.
Visibility controls the amount of object in AR navigation. In high visibility, only large angle turns are marked, whereas in low visibility, there are markers even in a straight line path.
Navigate to nearest victim.
This allows the users to navigate easily even at night or in sandy dust storm when their vision is obstructed due to particles or improper lighting conditions. This prevents the delay in action of rescue teams in critical situations. The AR guide also shows the turning as well as the final destination marked by the red dot near which we can see the victim standing. As we can see, the destination is reached.
Set visibility.
The user will set the visibility to high through voice input.
Navigate to nearest victim.
This setting will show minimal number of AR markers such as the starting point, the turns and the final destination. This will cause less distraction to the users. The users can insert a mini map on the corner of the screen for better viewing experience. This is how our feature will work. The dashboard shows us the summary of all the affected areas. Hovering on the location gives us the details of the impact of the disaster. Here we can see that 500 people were injured and 2,000 people were stuck. Using this feature, the people at the headquarters can analyze the situation and guide their rescue team members accordingly. We can also report victims by clicking on the upper right button. The helpers can report the status of victims through the DubG website after logging through their credentials. For victims stuck at the disaster location, we have created an SOS API endpoint where any third-party app, for example, a general utility app, can provide an emergency-like button which will report the status of the victim, such as latitude, longitude, and type of disaster. This will make the reporting of status of victim easier and will increase their visibility to the rescuers. It will make a product more universal. As you can see, it has been reported in our site. Our target audiences are the disaster relief organizations, the National Disaster Response Force (NDRF), generally deploys hundreds of rescuers. From this chart, you can notice the large number of NDRF officials. And these are the stats of a single disaster relief of just one country. Every country in the world has similar needs in the event of a disaster, which makes our idea useful globally. Our solution is feasible as there are already existing technologies like HoloLens from Microsoft, Glass from Google, and Wand from Intel to which we can port our solution easily. Using the current technology of Microsoft, such as mixed reality and Azure speech recognition, we can completely reimagine current disaster management systems. Implementing mixed reality will make the basic tasks like communication, navigation, and current status monitoring very easy for rescuers. Adding speech features simplifies these tasks by eliminating touch input, making the whole experience hands free and less time consuming.